It's February 2nd, 2011. We've been hit by a blizzard in Illinois.
We've had snow drifts that are taller than Sajeev.
Barely.
Snow everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. Winds of 40 to 50 miles per hour. It's just out of control. Our deck is completely covered.
Go to the deck.
Okay, let's run to the deck. Here, we're running to the deck, because then you'll have one long video clip. I can't even show you, because it's just, that's all snow. I mean, you can't even find the furniture, because it's hidden underneath the snow.
No, behind the snow.
Everywhere, snow, snow, and more snow. Tons of snow.